Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you why you shouldn't use Traffup website to get more subscriber to your YouTube channel. I created an account on Traffup to get more subscriber on one of my YouTube channel. So I want to show you the profile. So this is my profile, Traffup profile, and if you click on this view follower button, you are able to see the last 30 days subscriber whoever subscribed my channel. So you can see over here total 192 subscriber I get using Traffup, but most of these subscriber will unsubscribe my channel. So here I am going to show you all the statistics of my YouTube channel. So let's switch back to my YouTube channel. Here you can see I have 558 subscribers on my channel. If I go to analytics to see what happened in last 28 days, so this is the analytics, and you must have to click on this subscriber to get all the details. When I click on this, this is showing how many subscriber I gained and how many subscriber are lost within 28 days. So total subscriber I gained is 306, but I lost 157 subscriber since last 28 days, and I got 148 subscriber in last 28 days actually. So this is the actual real problem when you are using Traffup. So you got more subscriber using Traffup, but the subscriber loss rate is also higher than you got a subscriber using Traffup. Total subscriber I gained is 306, but I lost 157 subscriber. When you are using these type of traffic website, then the losing of subscriber is higher than you gain a subscriber using this website. So I suggest you don't use these type of traffic website for get more subscriber or get more likes to your video. I hope you understand why you shouldn't use a Traffup or any other traffic website to get more subscriber to your channel, because due to this maybe some unsuspicious activities the YouTube community found on your channel, or then maybe they will don't give you a permission to use monetize your all the videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe our channel.